But does it look nice? And it does, girl. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you are new. Hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, girls, we are going to be doing a review on this wig that I have on right here. Right now, it's been a hot minute since I had, you know, tap danced in the synthetic wig streets, okay? So I'm back today with this beauty. Now let's get into it. Hey y'all, it's been a hot minute since I've done some synthetic wig content, so I'm super excited. Today we have this wig here. Hold on, we have a glare from the ring light. The weather's awful. It's gonna be raining consistently for the next 3 days. Girl. Okay, I feel like you can see it a little bit better over here, but this is just what the packaging looks like. This is the daily wig, premium synthetic fibers lace part wig. This is from Outre. This is in the style Hannah. It says 22 inches, so I'm assuming there may be another inch variation to this wig. This is the 22-inch version. This is heat safe, and I have this in the color too. Okay, so this is a lace part wig, so I assume it doesn't have any lace anywhere else. It's just kind of like a lace part wig. So let's see. I told y'all, when I'm getting wigs and ordering synthetic wigs, I look at if the style is cute and if the price is good. So I don't know much about this wig. Okay, so like I thought, it has no lace like for you to have to cut off, which might be saving us some time. So let's see. I have brought my scissors over here, didn't even know. Okay, so this is just what it looks like fresh out the box. The construction, it does have an elastic band. Okay, it is a lace part wig with no lace on the edges. So it has that whole thing where it has like hair on the underside, so you don't have to worry about any lace showing, which I actually like. It has combs on the side, it has a comb in the back, and it has adjustable straps as well as an elastic band. Okay, let's see how she feels. Now this is feeling like and giving me a very throwback synthetic wig feel of like throwing back to maybe like 2010. Like how the synthetic wigs used to feel like back in the day. It's a little hard. You know how sometimes like synthetic wigs, they feel a little hard, and then once you run your fingers through them to like break it up, you could kind of feel the softness, but I'm not feeling any softness. It just feels a little hard. Not like hard and crusty, just not like soft. But I do like this little like wave that it has going on. Let's try her on. Is this a middle part? This is a middle part. My favorito. I'm talking about let's try her on. Like, girl, you don't have to cut no lace off for real. So like, really, this is the low-key let's try her on and let's get the styling. Because normally when I say like let me try it on, I'm like trying to try it on real quick to see before I take it off and cut the lace off. But I don't have to do that. Now for this, the part is also given very much so throwback synthetic wig. Like it's real tight in the front. And not only is it tight in the front, it's like thick and humpy. Can you see that? It's kind of thick. But I'm not mad at like the style of the wig and the curl pattern. Should I brush it? I think I should. Thank you. Okay, let me see how it looks when I brush it out. Oh yeah, I like that. A little thin in the back, is feeling like. Okay, so the part, I could tweeze, but I really don't have time, so I'm just gonna snatch them out. It's the same thing, isn't it? Okay, yes, that looks much better. This is the hair that we snatched out. Now I do feel like you can see my cap, because I feel like I could feel it, but I don't know if you could see it. Can you see my cap? Like I could feel like the tracks on the wig. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, to the touch, I could feel the tracks. So that makes me feel like my cap is showing, but I don't know. She is looking pretty good. That was literally the quickest install ever. If it wasn't for me like taking a long time brushing out the wig and then chatting with you, like I would have been able to pop that wig on in less than 2 minutes. No lie. That's including putting powder in the part and everything. That was the quickest install ever. So now let's get into it. The Daily Wig by Outre. I've never heard of this line, but I'm assuming like it's probably wigs that could be worn on the daily or everyday kind of a wigs, because it says wear me on the daily. But yeah, this is the style Hannah. Like I said, I have it in the color too. This is the 22-inch version. It's just a lace part wig, which I told y'all I really do love lace part wigs, because for me, like, they make the whole process of wearing a wig even more simplified and easy than it already is. That's first and foremost. But then for me, I usually typically wear my wigs behind my hairline anyway, so it's just like I don't need a ton of lace. I don't need 13 by 6, 13 by, I don't need that. It's nice to have, like I always say, it's really nice to have, but I don't need it, especially when I'm trying to be on an everyday basis kind of a thing, where I'm trying to, you know, listen, it's a lot going on in my everyday life and I'm trying to get up and go, get out the door. You know what I'm saying? Like I need a quick pop on and go kind of a moment. So I love lace part wigs for that reason. And this one, if I'm not mistaken, was pretty affordable. I really don't like to spend too much money on synthetic wigs because, you know, like it's just really not that serious. So I'm pretty sure this was a very affordable wig. This is a very simple wig. But here's the thing though, unfortunately, as simple as it is, as easygoing as it is, as affordable as it is, aka low-key cheap, like, you know, all of those things are great, but I do not feel like this is the kind of hair texture and the kind of synthetic fibers that will be able to withstand everyday wear. Like it's supposed to be worn on the daily, whatever, but I don't know if this would last. Like this probably would last you maybe like 2 wears before it's like annoying. But does it look nice? And it does, girl. So I definitely think this is a wig for the girls to try, right? If you haven't already. Because I don't know if this is old or if this is new. I have no clue. Like I said, like I always say, I don't really keep tabs on that. But if you get this wig, keep your expectations low, because it just feels a little cheap. Okay? Just a little bit. So just, you know. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of the video and of the wig. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. And I will have the link to this wig down in the description box for you to check out if you are interested. Be sure to enjoy the rest of your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.